Welcome back muli sa ating live here at Sabre School. This is the battle between the LaSalle Green Hills versus the Maris School. Okay, Aspirant 2010 Division. Good luck from both teams. Let the battle begin. Let's go, Animo LaSalle. Let's go, Animo LaSalle. First ball makuha ng ating LaSalle Green Hills. Galanatan to number 2. Crosscourt pass. Somchi for 3. In and out. Rebound. Galanatan gets the contact and foul. Shooting in the line. Jersey number 72. Galanatan. First shot, no good. Second shot. Missed. Offensive rebound. Number 2, floater. Miss. Rebound na dito ng Maris. Oh, there's a foul. On the line, jersey number 11 for Maris. That's good. Second shot, miss. Rebound, Maris. Steal for Lasal. Number 2, 3 against 4. Ooh, there's a foul. Missed the shot. Second shot. That's even far. All one. Ooh, nice move. Ayun na, nagmamadali. SOMG. Pass number 2. Back to Sam. Buerzon. No good. Rebound. There could go ang Maris. Kick out. Number 21 from elbow 3. Wala. Offensive rebound. No good. Ay na nagagawan. Makukuha ng Maris. Fade away shot. Miss. Rebound number 21. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Sam. Buerzon. Uy. Out of bounds. Last touch. Same ball. Time out. Back to the ball game. Sam Hesse, up and under. Miss. Rebound, makuha ni Paras. Steal ng Maris. Steal by Sam. SOMG. Nabitawan. Steal ng Maris. Advance pass. Ooh. There's a foul. First shot is good for Maris. Jersey number 30. One basket. 2 for 2. Buerzon. Number 2. Cross-court pass. Galantan. Pass number 2. Top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound ng Maris. Pass, steal. Number 2, pass to Buerzon. Buerzon, spin move. Umupo sa ere, wala. Rebound. Paras. Miss. Rebound ng Maris. Uy, munti ka na magawan. Number 23. Steal by Sam. Outlet pass. Oopsie. Timeout, Maris. Time remaining 5 minutes and 10 seconds. .5-10 ang ating talaan. Alright, back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Bola rito ng Maris. Cross-court pass. Fake. Umatake. Binale. Miss. Rebound by Coronel. Salazar. Pass to Somchi. At the post. Steal. Ayan na. Uy, naunahan sa talon ang Maris. (7-1) Salazar, handoff. Galanatan to Somchi. Essie. Ooh. It's a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 28. Somchi, Sam. First shot is good. Second shot for Somchi, miss. Rebound ng Maris. Tawid. Ayan na ang double team. Uy. There is a foul. Number 84. Cross-court pass, number 10 to number 12. Oopsie, bad pass. Three minutes and 27 seconds. 7-2. Lamang ang Maris. Salazar. Hand up to Somchi. Somchi. Stop and pump. Miss. Rebound by number 12. Outlet pass. Dumiretso. Basket na naman for Maris. Let's go, Lasal. Salazar. Pass to Somchi. Hand off. Bote to Salazar. Pass to Simple. Uy, steal again ng Maris. Number 21, reverse layup. Basket for Maris, number 11, Bote to Somchi. Somchi with a strong drive using the glass and score for Sam Somchi. Uy, up and under para kay Salazar. Back-to-back basket for Lasal Green Hills. Ayan na. Maris Dumerecho. Wala. Rebound by Somchi. Pass to Salazar. Outlet pass. Here comes number 84. Miss. Rebound ng Maris. Another steal. Ooh. Sadya yun, idol. Nagagawan. Time remaining 1 minute and 22 seconds. Last touch. Green ball. And shoutout kay Jared Racapur. Yeah. O ba, sige, pag meron, antayin natin yan. Ang inyong paliga sa Barangay Kabayan. Shoutout sa'yo, idol. Please share and subscribe my Facebook and YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. Let's go. Salazar. Pass to Somchi. 4-3. Yes! Para sa Atares. For Somchi. Oy, steal by Sam. Outlet pass. Steal ng Maris. Number 21. Ooh, there's a foul. Number 66. That's simple. Remaining time, last 51 seconds. 2 shots for Maris. First shot, no good. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa pagtatapos ng elimination round ng Paya Prada League. Malalaman natin kung sino mga papasok sa Final Four. Salazar. Pass to Somchi. Kick out. Bote. Oh, bad pass. Steal ng Maris. Here comes number 21. All the way. Let's go. Salazar to Somchi. Somchi cross. Somchi tumira. Wala. Rebound ng Maris. Derecho at nakalusot na naman ng Maris by jersey number 33. Salazar setting on the screen. Salazar umatake, gets the foul at may contact. Remaining time 1.2 seconds remaining. Para sa ating first period, official score is 15-9. 2 shots for Salazar. Second shot is good. Oh, correction, that's the first person on the free throw area. Second shot, Salazar. Basket, 2 for 2. Ayan na. Uy, good defense for Bote. Para hindi na makashoot ng 3 points. At dito na po nagtatapos sa ating first quarter. Official score of 15-11. 4-point lead para sa Maris. We're going to the second quarter. Let's go. Animo Lasal. Natin ang ating Lasal Green Hills. the ball game. Pasok naman muna ulit si Coronel and Paras. Second quarter. Bad pass. Gets the three. Mula. Rebound. Up and under. Wala. Rebound. Fade away shot. Miss. Rebound by Bote. Bote. Crossover. Ay na. Binigay. Number 1. Cacho for 3. No good. Rebound by Salazar. Behind the back. Cross-court pass. Bote fake. Bounce pass to Salazar. Salazar from the corner. 3. No good. Rebound by Cacho. Pass to Bote. Bote with the steal. Number 77. Ayan na ang Maris. Dire-diretso. At nagsalubong sa Heron. At may foul. Si Bote. Two shots for jersey number 10.
Type namin diba yung mga videos na ayaw din sa development.
Second shot is good. 2 for 2. Bote. Number 85. Bote. Cut. Steal ng Maris. Umatake. Ooh. At nailusot pa. Number 23 ang basket na yun. Time remaining. 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Sa corner. Oh, there's the foul. Seven minutes and 47 seconds. Second shot is good for Somchi. Second shot, miss. Oy, wala. Rebound ng Morris. Cross-court pass. Number 23. Steal. Almost. Binigay sa corner. Tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound by Sam. And Somchi. Steal by number 10. Number 10. Oh, gets the contact. Foul rito si Somchi.
Coach RJ pala ko mo? So younger pa kayo.
shot is good. 7 minutes and 5 seconds for our first half. Guarzon. Oy. And a step in on the line. Ba? Somchi 4-3, no good. Ibaw ng Maris. Number 10, Mutake, wala. Rebound. It's a foul. Jersey number 10. Substitution, Galantan coming in for Lasal. Salazar to Somchi, pinasa loob. Steal ng Maris. Maris, cross-court pass. 2 against 1. Oh! Malusot na naman ang Maris. Malaki na po ang alamangan ng mga nakadilaw. Salazar to Somchi, Galanatan. Guarzon, back to Galanatan. 4-3, no good. Rebound ng Maris, number 4. Oy, wala. Another rebound. Kick out. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Paras. Paras to Sam. Back to Galanatan. To Somchi. Attacking the basket and gets the foul. Good shot for Sam Somchi. No good. Second shot is good. Away shot at nakalusot na naman ang Maris. Salazar to Galanatan. Simple fake. Simple gets the basket. Maris. 27-15. Guarzon. Galanatan, stop and pump. Yes, sir. Pabasa po naman ng Maris. Number 4, kick out. Fake. Up and under. Wala. Rebound by number 4. Hindi kayo sa corner. Gets the teardrop. Basket is good. Salazar, pass to Guarzon. Back to Salazar. Galanatan. Salazar to Galanatan. Top of the key. Short. Save by Guarzon. Pass to Galanatan. Running shot. Miss. Rebound. Nakuha na simple. Oopsie. Out of bound. Bote. Pass to Guarzon. At the post. Simple. Umatake. Gets the foul for Simple. Two shots for Simple. Jersey number 66. That's the basket. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Second shot for Simple. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ng Maris. Defense. Let's go. Nabitawan to number 12. Running shot. Miss. Rebound by Paras. Bote outlet pass. Guarzon. Nice move. And nice shot for Guarzon. Mabasa siya, manglamang. Single digit. Ang Maris dito. Cross court pass. Number 27 to number 12. Kick out. Fake. Umatake. Stop and pump. Miss. Rebound ng Maris. Fade away shot. No good. Rebound by Paras. Here comes Bote. Pass to Guarzon. Salazar to Paras. Paras spin. Kick out. Guarzon 4-3. No good. Oh. Out of bounds. Last 47 seconds. Kick out. Number 21. Fake. Running shot. Uy! Nakalusot na naman ang Maris. Time out muna dito. Ang Lasal. Official score 20-31. In favor of Maris. Back to the ball game with the time remaining. Last 31.2 seconds remaining. Bola rito ang ating Lasal. Salazar. Ay taka na bola. Pass to Paras. To Bote. Back to Sam. Paras running shot and gets the contact. May foul dito. Last 17 seconds. No good. Second shot for Paras. Basket. Time out. Maris. 31-21, babas 10 ang lamang ng Maris. Last 17 seconds. Ayan na, steal. Bote, outlet pass, Salazar, Paras. Paras, basket is good. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Naihabol pa ata. Tingnan natin ang decision ng ating referee. Ayan na, tabla. Pumasok daw. Alright, that's the end of our first half. Magbabalik tayo para sa second half. 33-23. Balik sa 10 ang lamang ng Maris. Kakapumatay for the meantime. Hanggang sa muli.